On Pink Wheel here, we're going to do a oil change on a 2007 Honda Fit. We will need oil pan to catch the oil, possibly a 65 millimeter oil filter wrench, 17 millimeter socket, breaker bar, and ratchet. And of course, jack stands. You need the jack stands. Do not get under the car with just a jack. That is unsafe. Okay, so safety first. We got two jack stands securely underneath the car. I'm going to leave my jack on there just in case one of the jack stands fails for some reason. I'm on a level surface. I have the e-brake up and I have the back wheel chalked. We're going to unscrew the oil fill cap. That will, before we drain, that'll let air get in easier. Just leave it like that so we don't forget where it is.